Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Clutch fluid replacement, a simple guide to keep your gearbox performing smoothly. Ever noticed that your clutch isn't as smooth as it used to be? It might be time to check your clutch fluid. Like oil in your engine, clutch fluid is crucial for proper vehicle operation, helping to engage and disengage the clutch smoothly when you shift gears. Over time, this fluid can degrade or become contaminated, leading to a range of clutch problems. If you're experiencing stiffness, slippage, or squeaking sounds when pressing the clutch pedal, it might be a sign that your clutch fluid needs replacing. Regular replacement of clutch fluid ensures that your vehicle's transmission runs efficiently and extends the life of your vehicle's clutch system. Let's see why this simple maintenance task is so vital and how you can do it right to keep your car running smoothly. Understanding clutch fluid. Clutch fluid is a vital component in the hydraulic system of your vehicle, playing a crucial role in ensuring smooth gear shifting. It differs from brake fluid in its specific formula and function, tailored to meet the requirements of the clutch system. Composition and function. Clutch fluid, also known as hydraulic fluid, is typically made up of glycol ether or mineral oil, which is designed to withstand high temperatures and pressures. Its primary function is to transfer force from the clutch pedal to the clutch mechanisms, enabling seamless engagement and disengagement of the clutch. Importance of clutch fluid quality. The quality of clutch fluid used in your vehicle is paramount to the optimal performance and longevity of your clutch system. Using the right type of clutch fluid recommended by the manufacturer ensures proper lubrication and protection against wear and tear. Poor quality or contaminated fluid can lead to clutch slippage, difficulty in shifting gears, and ultimately damage to the clutch components. By understanding the composition and function of clutch fluid and recognizing the importance of maintaining its quality, you can ensure the efficient operation of your vehicle's clutch system and enjoy a smoother driving experience for miles to come. Signs that clutch fluid needs replacement. Clutch fluid is a vital component of your vehicle's hydraulic system, and its proper functioning is crucial for smooth gear shifts and overall performance. Recognizing the signs that indicate a need for clutch fluid replacement can help you avoid potential issues and keep your vehicle running smoothly. Soft or spongy clutch pedal. A soft or spongy clutch pedal is often a clear indication of air or moisture infiltrating the clutch hydraulic system. When air or moisture is present, it can compromise the efficiency of the clutch fluid, leading to an inconsistent pedal feel. If you notice that your clutch pedal feels soft or spongy, it's likely time to consider replacing the clutch fluid to eliminate any air or moisture that may be causing the issue. Difficulty shifting gears. Experiencing difficulty when shifting gears, such as encountering resistance or a grinding sensation, can signal low or contaminated clutch fluid. Over time, clutch fluid can accumulate dirt and debris, reducing its effectiveness in lubricating the moving parts of the clutch system. If you find yourself struggling to shift gears smoothly, it's best to have your clutch fluid checked and replaced as needed to maintain optimal performance. Visible fluid leaks. One of the most obvious signs that your clutch fluid needs replacement is the presence of visible leaks under your vehicle. Inspecting the ground beneath your car for any signs of fluid leakage can help you identify clutch fluid loss. Addressing fluid leaks promptly is crucial, as low clutch fluid levels can lead to decreased hydraulic pressure and potential damage to the clutch system. If you notice any fluid leaks, it's essential to have your clutch system inspected and the fluid replaced to prevent further complications. Staying vigilant and addressing these common symptoms promptly can help you ensure that your clutch system operates efficiently and prolongs the lifespan of your vehicle. By recognizing the signs that indicate a need for clutch fluid replacement, you can take proactive steps to maintain the performance and longevity of your vehicle's transmission system. Clutch fluid replacement process. Gathering required materials. Before starting the clutch fluid replacement process, you will need to gather a few essential tools and materials. Jack stands, hydraulic jack wrench set, turkey baster or syringe, new clutch fluid, brake cleaner, rag, or paper towels. Having these items ready will make the replacement procedure smoother and more efficient. Draining old fluid. To begin, ensure the vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool. Locate the clutch fluid reservoir, usually near the brake fluid reservoir. Use the wrench to loosen the bleeder valve on the slave cylinder. Attach a clear tube to the valve and place the other end in a container to catch the old fluid. With the help of a partner, depress the clutch pedal to push out the old fluid. Remember to dispose of the old fluid properly, as it is hazardous to the environment. Refilling with new fluid. Once the old fluid is drained, clean the reservoir with brake cleaner to remove any residue. Refill the reservoir with the recommended type of new clutch fluid. With the bleeder valve closed, Have your partner slowly press the clutch pedal while you open the valve to bleed out any air bubbles in the system. Continue this process until you see clean fluid without any air. Close the valve, top off the reservoir, and test the clutch pedal for proper pressure. Following these steps carefully will help maintain the efficiency and longevity of your vehicle's clutch system. Remember to consult your vehicle manual for specific instructions and recommended clutch fluid replacement intervals. Benefits of regular clutch fluid maintenance. Regular maintenance of your vehicle's clutch fluid offers a multitude of advantages that go beyond just ensuring a smooth driving experience. Let's look at benefits that come with consistent care for your clutch fluid system. Enhanced clutch system performance. Maintaining your clutch fluid at optimal levels plays a crucial role in enhancing the performance of your vehicle's clutch system. By regularly replacing the clutch fluid, you ensure that the hydraulic components operate smoothly, resulting in seamless gear shifts and a more responsive driving experience. When the clutch fluid is fresh and free from contaminants, it facilitates the efficient transfer of power from the engine to the transmission, allowing you to shift gears effortlessly. This improves the overall functionality of your clutch system and eliminates any potential hiccups that may arise from degraded fluid over time. Prolonged clutch lifespan. Timely replacement of your clutch fluid is more than just a preventive maintenance task. It significantly impacts the longevity of your clutch assembly. Over time, clutch fluid can accumulate dirt, moisture, and other impurities that can compromise the integrity of the system. By adhering to a regular schedule of clutch fluid replacements, you effectively reduce the risk of premature wear and damage to vital clutch components. This proactive approach not only ensures a longer lifespan for your clutch but also minimizes the chances of costly repairs down the road. Maintaining a healthy clutch fluid system is not just about convenience. It's a proactive measure that can save you time and money in the long run by preserving the performance and durability of your vehicle's clutch assembly. Regular maintenance of your vehicle, including clutch fluid replacement, is essential for ensuring optimal performance and longevity of your car. By understanding the importance of maintaining proper clutch fluid levels and quality, you can prevent potential damage to your vehicle's clutch system and transmission, ultimately saving you time and money in the long run. Prioritizing routine checks and replacements can also contribute to a smoother driving experience and improve safety on the road. Don't overlook the significance of clutch fluid replacement in your vehicle's maintenance routine. By staying proactive and scheduling regular checkups, you can extend the lifespan of your clutch system and maintain your car's overall performance at its best. Remember, a well-maintained vehicle not only runs more efficiently but also provides you with a reliable and safe driving experience. Make clutch fluid replacement a priority to keep your car in top condition for the road ahead. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.